Imagine walking past a billionaire on the street and not even realizing it. No designer brands, no flashy jewelry, no $1 million watch, just a regular person in a simple hoodie and jeans. Sounds unbelievable? Well, Ingvar Kamprad, the founder of IKEA, flew economy class despite being worth billions. Warren Buffett still lives in the same house he bought in 1958. But why? Why do some of the wealthiest people on Earth choose to stay invisible? Today, I'll reveal 10 powerful benefits of stealth wealth, why the smartest rich people hide their money, and how applying this can protect your wealth, keep you stress-free, and even make you richer in the long run. By the end of this video, you'll know why keeping your wealth a secret might be the smartest financial move you'll ever make. Subscribe the Wealthy channel, and let's quickly get started. Number 1. You avoid becoming a target for scams. Have you ever seen a flashy millionaire get robbed, scammed, or even sued? There's a reason why the quiet rich live longer and safer. According to a study, high-profile millionaires are 6 times more likely to be targeted for scams, lawsuits, or even physical attacks. 70% of lottery winners lose all their money within a few years. Why? Because the moment people know you have money, you become a magnet for leeches, fake lawsuits, and scammers. Jack Whitaker won $314 million in the lottery. The result? He was robbed multiple times, sued, and constantly harassed for money. His life became a nightmare and he died broke. When people don't know how much you have, they can't take it from you. The safest money is the money nobody knows about. Number 2. You make smarter money moves without pressure. Would you rather be rich or look rich? Most people choose the second option. That's why 78% of NFL players go broke within 3 years of retiring. They spend millions on flashy cars, mansions, and parties instead of investing. Rich people who flex their wealth feel constant pressure to spend more just to keep up their image. But those who practice stealth wealth, they quietly accumulate assets while others waste money trying to look rich. Stealth wealth helps you play the long game. Instead of wasting money on flexing, you invest it into assets that make you richer. If you make an extra $10,000, don't buy a new car, buy an income-generating asset. Real wealth is built in silence. Number 3. You avoid fake friends and gold diggers. In the journey towards financial success, steering clear of fake friends and gold diggers is crucial. These relationships often thrive on materialism and superficiality, luring individuals into a cycle of overspending and financial insecurity. Fake friends and gold diggers drain your resources financially, emotionally, and mentally. They prioritize immediate gratification over long-term wealth building, leading you down paths of unnecessary spending and financial stress. Imagine investing in relationships that applaud your latest luxury purchase but disappear when you face a financial setback. Build relationships based on mutual respect and shared values rather than superficial displays of wealth. Embrace a lifestyle where financial success is understated, allowing you to prioritize long-term financial security over fleeting status symbols. Number 4. You protect your children from entitlement and laziness. What happens when kids grow up knowing they'll inherit millions? 70% of wealthy families lose their wealth by the second generation, and 90% lose it by the third. Why? Because when kids don't struggle, they don't learn. When kids grow up seeing money as an endless resource rather than something to be earned and managed wisely, they develop laziness, lack resilience, and struggle in the real world. If children never struggle, they never learn the value of persistence and effort. Stealth wealth parents like Bill Gates and Mark Zuckerberg teach their children financial discipline instead of showering them with luxury. If you want your children to grow into responsible, successful individuals, stop making life too easy for them. Instead, give them financial literacy, let them fail and learn, and teach them to build rather than inherit wealth. Give your children the mindset of earning, not just spending. Wealth that isn't earned is rarely valued. Ensure your children know how to sustain and grow it. Number 5. You get better deals and opportunities. When people assume you're wealthy, the price tag often changes, and not in your favor. Salespeople, contractors, and even business partners may inflate costs, expecting you to pay more just because you can. But when you keep your wealth discreet, you level the playing field and gain access to better deals, honest negotiations, and genuine opportunities. A common mistake? Overexposure. Many flaunt their success online, showing off cars, watches, or luxury vacations, only to realize that it closes more doors than it opens. People see you as a walking wallet, not a business ally or a smart investor. If you want to secure better deals, stay low-key, negotiate with intelligence, and let your knowledge, not your bank balance, do the talking. The less people know about your money, the fairer the deals you get. A wise man can always play a fool, but a fool can never play a wise man. Real wealth isn't about proving it, it's about leveraging it wisely. Number 6. You avoid unwanted attention and envy. The moment people know you have money, everything changes. Friends start expecting handouts, relatives suddenly have urgent financial problems, and strangers see you as a target. Flaunting wealth invites envy, fake friendships, and even threats to your safety. The biggest mistake people make? Seeking validation through luxury. They buy flashy cars, oversized mansions, and designer brands to impress others, only to attract the wrong kind of attention. If you want real security, focus on financial freedom, not social approval. Keep your success low-key, invest wisely, and let people underestimate you. It's your greatest advantage. The less people know, the fewer problems you face. If you need to show it off, you probably don't have enough of it. Number 7. You stay focused on real wealth. Many people make 6 figures yet live paycheck to paycheck because they spend every dollar proving they're successful. Meanwhile, silent millionaires like Jim Simons, one of the world's most successful hedge fund managers, focused on building real wealth rather than showing off. If you want financial freedom, shift your mindset. Spend on assets, not liabilities. Track your net worth, invest strategically, and stop caring about validation from people who don't contribute to your success. Wealth is what you own, not what you show. Prioritize assets that grow instead of purchases that fade. Focus on investments, businesses, and long-term financial freedom instead of wasting money to impress others. Number 8. You have less stress and more freedom. When you don't flaunt your money, you sleep better at night. No pressure to keep up appearances, no stress over people using you, and no anxiety about being a target. Real wealth is about control over your time, choices, and energy. Morgan Housel puts it in The Psychology of Money. The highest form of wealth is the ability to wake up every morning and say, I can do whatever I want today. Stealth wealth lets you enjoy your money without the burdens of unwanted expectations, fake relationships, or financial insecurity. Invest wisely and let money serve you, not the other way around. The fewer financial commitments you have, the more control you gain over your life. If your lifestyle causes stress, you're doing it wrong. A rich man showing off is a slave to his own money. A wealthy man in stealth is the master of his freedom. Think about it. Wouldn't you rather be quietly rich than loudly broke? The world's smartest people don't flex. They build. They invest, protect their wealth, and let success speak for itself. So, if you're on the journey to financial freedom, remember, wealth isn't about how you look. It's about how you live. I'm passionate about transforming lives through knowledge. If this video added value to your day, share it with your loved ones, and subscribe for more power-packed knowledge. From the bottom of our hearts, thank you for joining us today. Our wealthy discussion will continue in the next video. Until then, take care.